We live in fast-paced times. In 1950, the world population only reached 2.5 billion, but in the last 60 years, it has grown to 7.2 billion. What's really amazing is half of them are mobile phone users, and a further 49% will access the internet monthly using their mobile phone. Not only that, every mobile phone user has an average of 1.97 lines, and that means in the United States alone, there are actually more mobile phone lines than people. The simple truth is that mobile phones are a staple of everyday life, and they're fast becoming the tool of choice for consumers looking to catch up on emails, buy everyday purchases, pay their bills, do their banking, tap into or post pictures on their social networks, and even tweet about a recent sports event. But all of this comes at a cost, sometimes a big cost. J.D. Power and Associates report that the average cell phone bill in America is $71, with 13% of users getting a cell phone bill over $200 each and every month. Not to mention the cost of the phone, which can now run as high as $700 or more. But we can't live without them, so we're paying for it. That's right, we pay month after month after month. You all know what I mean. Imagine if you could keep your phone and your phone number, but eliminate your phone bill. Just think, if you're spending $100 or more each month on your cell phone bill, that's $1,000 to $1,500 a year. How would you like to use that money to catch up on bills, get out of debt, or save for unexpected expenses? Well, you can do just that if you get connected. What does that mean? The Connection and GCN Wireless. GCN Wireless is breaking barriers and changing the way people are thinking about their essential mobile phone. Using the titan of the industry, AT&T, and their most reliable 4G LTE network, GCN Wireless offers unlimited talk and text, 4 gigabytes of high-speed rollover data, all as part of an affordable, no-contract, no-credit check plan of just $49.95 a month. It gets even better. Yes, you can lower your phone bill, perhaps by as much as 75%. But how would you like to just rip up your phone bill? That's right, forget about cutting it in half, just rip it up. When you simply share the great savings you get through GCN Wireless on the AT&T network with your friends and family, you can get a credit towards your personal cell phone bill. And that credit happens every single month. With as few as 5 people or 5 new lines taking advantage of the same great deal you're receiving, your credit exceeds your $49.95 phone bill. Exactly. It's just like you ripped up your phone bill. But if that isn't enough, why not let your phone start making you money instead of costing you money? By simply sharing your phone discovery, more and more people will join and take advantage of a great phone deal on the most reliable phone network in the world. As it happens, you can earn a tidy income each month. Save $1,000 or more on your phone bill and maybe earn another $100, $200, or even $600 or more a month by simply telling others how you save money. So what are you waiting for? Contact the person who shared this video with you to get connected with GCN Wireless on the AT&T network and get ready to rip up your phone bill. It's time to let your phone start making you money.